I'm doing a bathroom overview. A lot of people complain that this particular ship has really small bathrooms. It's a ship. I don't think it's small. I had plenty of room. Did you ever go to the bathroom on an airliner? My shoulders were actually touching the wall on both sides when I was sitting on the toilet in the bathroom when I flew to Miami on 737-800 or whatever it was. A fairly modern plane. I was crammed in there. No way you could reach back and hit the flush while you're still sitting there because you're so tight in there. So anyway, I'm going to sit on the toilet and you're going to look at the shower. See if you stand this direction in the shower instead of, because it's plenty deep. It's just not super wide, but I didn't have any trouble at all in the shower. And look, this is how the door goes, just like that. Okay, somebody's here, so I gotta let them in. Anyway, there's plenty of room.